Hi, my name is Clinton Tangolum. I'm the program manager for Fomen Nursing Assistant Training Academy. So here at Fomen Nursing Academy, we do offer a variety of classes. We offer CNA, GNA, CPR, First Aid, and CMT classes. We started with this location in 2010, and we have another location currently in Glen Burnie right now. Here at Fomen Nursing Academy, we want to see our students succeed. We have a student that came here, started off as a CNA, and then went up the ladder, and now she's an RN, and we actually hired her, and she's one of our clinical instructors. So academically, we do support students by helping them write recommendation letters. We do have employers come here on the last day of class to offer them job placements. And we do stay in touch with the students even after they leave the school. And emotionally, we do offer a friendly learning environment for our students, and we do offer one-on-one tutoring with the students that are not doing well. It's important for us to train and empower the next generation of nursing assistants. I want the student to take away personal skills such as CPR, First Aid. These are skills that they can use out in the community with their loved ones and friends.
My name is Naja, and I'm taking CNA/GNA classes.
My name is Agnes Kuhn. I'm here to run a CNA GNA program.
I specifically chose this nursing academy because it was closer to my home for distance driving, and also because I have a passion to care for other people.
I'm always proud and confident, most especially during the task, my test. Having written my test and then see that I have good grades, and then the practicals, because I'm always paying attention in the class, following the tutor, and also other students to see where like some days I know that because of my health I miss a class, and then coming back I have to ask questions, what did I do? And then going back to the practicals, seeing what they did, and then having the ability to do it very well. So I feel I'm proud.
Overall, my experience was great. My teacher, Miss Ellie, she's a wonderful teacher. She gives everybody in the class their one-on-one time.
Going out there is to showcase what you have been taught or what I've been taught here. Be kind to the people I'm going to meet out there, like the patients I'm going to meet. Be kind to them, show them love, be concerned, because I have to put myself first in whatever I'm going to do. Like if I have any case or any patient I'm going to meet, what if I were the one?
I'm going to be going into home health aid. I'd rather be doing that than being in a facility. I build relationships with people so easily, so I know I'm going to be affected because, like let's say I worked in a hospital or hospice or something like that, and they pass away. That's really going to hurt me. I'm very empathetic.
My goal is to go out there and put to practice what I've been taught here. Coming in here, I know that we are all sourcing for the same thing, like making ends meet, because it's not all about that. First of all, it's love. You have to show love, kindness, be empathetic. How would I want someone to handle my case? So I have to give it back the same way I would love someone to take care of me.
Since there's available means of transportation, I see the Purple Line supporting us by transporting our students to and from Fomen Nursing Academy.